Hey there, Scots. Welcome back to your weekly show. I'm your host, Carlos Rafael Iglesias, and I'm here with
Ricky Villanueva.
We're going to bring you some of the announcements today and get into some other things if you guys stay tuned. So, let's go.
The 2022 Homecoming Court nominations are in. This year's nominees for King are Brandon Baker, Isaiah Esparza, Travion Miller, and Aiden Cisneros. Nominees for Queen are Ava Orozco, Jocelyn Barrison, Aaliyah Resendez, and Tabitha Gummings. Congrats to this year's nominees, and be sure to vote the week of homecoming to see who wins.
Seniors, if you have not taken your senior yearbook picture, please contact our photographer, Carlos Murillo, at 661-332-4170. It's not my number, but you sure can schedule an appointment there. Also, these pictures must be submitted by October 26th. Or else you will not be able to submit any pictures at all if you want to be in this yearbook. And make sure that you aren't taking pictures yourself, because those won't be allowed either.
Scots, ASB stickers can be purchased in the finance office for $25. This will save you time from waiting in line during sports events and get you in for free. It also gives you discounts to events on campus. You must have your ID to get your sticker.
Alright, we're here calling all the slackers, all the lazy people, or if you just need help with any sort of assignment. Come after school to the library. We have tutoring from 4 to 5:30. On Tuesdays, we're offering help with science, math, and social studies, and health. On Wednesdays and Thursdays, we can offer you science and social studies. And then after that, if you need a bus ride home, we got that covered. There'll be a bus waiting outside for you at the, wherever you go for buses at 5:30. See you there.
We have some upcoming events. On Monday, 9/19, we have a 2-hour early out. Also on Monday, 9/19, we have a back-to-school night. Homecoming week will take place from 9:26 to 9:30, so that whole week. And then the homecoming dance is Saturday, October 1st.
All right, well, we'll catch you guys after this break. We have some announcements from the PSA group that we want to get into, so we'll see you guys after that.
What does PLAID stand for?
PLAID, pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination.
To you.
P stands for pride. Pride in your school.
What does the L in leadership stand?
L in leadership means to
Inspire others to know, to do, and to be. What does the A in PLAID mean?
Attitude, and that just means having a positive attitude and enjoying your environment.
What does integrity mean?
Integrity means that you're doing the right thing when nobody's looking.
Determination mean?
Determination means persevering and finishing your goals even when it gets tough.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome back, everyone. Some great stuff from the PSA team. Let's look at Highlands Library, Financial Office, and Student Store.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Brown, the teacher librarian, and welcome to the Highland Library.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Vedder. I'm the guidance tech here located in the Career Center, which is actually located in the library now. I am in charge of work permits, scholarships, and help you with college applications.
Also, use our online catalog to look up a library book. You can see if we have it and where it is in the library. This is our quiet area. If you come in before school, during lunch, or after school, and you just want to be left alone, you can sit here and read your book, listen to your music, or get your homework done. Everyone's welcome.
Hello, Highland. My name is Ian Naila, and this here is the Finance Office. Here at the Finance Office, you could buy things such as ASB stickers, tickets for formal, and pay off any debt you might have. Now, moving on to the Student Store.
What I'm standing in front of is the student store. Maybe after you're done paying off your debt of $9 that you've had since freshman year, maybe you want to get like a hot Cheetos and cheese or something like that, bro. Like, for only $2.50, that's a steal.
Welcome back, Scots. Now we're going to Christian and Isabel with sports and Joseph with the weather.
Hi guys, I'm Christian Cisneros. Today we'll be looking at the highlights from the Chavez versus Highland High School football game. Here are the highlights. Today we're going to be looking at some of the Highland versus Cesar Chavez highlights. Started off with a nice run down the middle by George Venegas. It was a beautiful run for the Scots' first touchdown. To throw another highlight in there, this is a nice throw all the way to Diego Duenas. Diego literally mossed 27 people on that play. It was amazing. Shout out to Diego. With Elijah Cisneros stepping into the game for hurt Jojo Mata. throws one right to Nick Gonzalez for another touchdown. Although the final score was 21-40, Cesar Chavez won. There's be a game theme tonight. Aloha Scots, wear your best beach gear. The game time will be 7:30 at Scotland Yard. Be ready. On September 21st, cross country will meet at Hart Park at 3:30 p.m. for a meet. Now we're going to go with Isabella with the rest of the sports.
Good morning, Scotsman. It's Isabel Clegg, your girls sports reporter. To start off, girls golf is having an away game at Buena Vista Golf Course on September 20th. Girls volleyball will be having 2 games next week. One on September 20th, which is a home game against Independence. The other is September 22nd, which is an away game against Centennial. Both are at 6:30. Water polo will be having a game on September 21st at the Aquatic Center. Girls will start at 4:30, guys will start at 5:30.
Hi, my name is Joseph, and today I'll be bringing you the forecast of next week. Alright, so Monday will be 79, Tuesday will be 85, Wednesday will be 91, Thursday will be 96, Friday will be 86, and there will be a football game that day. Saturday will be 87, Sunday will be 88, and the weather may change.
Wow, well that news was very breaking and very newsy. To wrap up our day's show, we'll see you guys next week. I'm Carlos Rafael Iglesias.
And I'm Ricky Villanueva.
See you guys later.